Blocking someone on SHEIN can help you manage your interactions on the platform. Follow these simple steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Open the SHEIN app. Launch the SHEIN app on your mobile device or visit the SHEIN website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the app or website. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access the settings. In your profile, look for the settings option, usually represented by gear icon. Click on it to access various account settings. Step 4. Find the blocked users section. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the blocked users or privacy section. Click on it to view the list of users you have blocked or to add new users. Step 5. Block the user. In the blocked users section, you can search for the user you want to block. Once you find them, select their profile and choose the option to block them. Confirm your action if prompted. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on SHEIN and enhance your shopping experience. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the Ads Help section.